Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video
for more such informational content.
Welcome, motorsport fans, to the ultimate guide on what to expect at the 2024 F1 United States Grand Prix. Get ready to rev your engines and buckle up as we dive into the excitement that awaits us at one of the most thrilling events on the racing calendar. Whether you're a seasoned F1 aficionado or a newbie looking to get into the sport, this video will give you a full-throttle look into the high-speed drama, the glitz, the glamour, and the gut-wrenching twists and turns that define this iconic race. First up, let's talk about the playground for our speed demons, the Circuit of the Americas, or COTA, in Austin, Texas. This state-of-the-art circuit is a 3.41-mile marvel of modern engineering with 20 turns that challenge the world's best drivers. Designed by Herman Tilke, the mastermind behind many of today's top F1 tracks, COTA features an exhilarating mix of high-speed straights, sharp hairpins, and elevation changes, including the notorious Turn 1, a steep uphill climb followed by a hair-raising left-hander. Imagine the roar of the engines bouncing off the grandstands as the cars charge up that incline. It's not just about the track, though. COTA offers top-notch facilities, stunning views of the Texas countryside, and a festival-like atmosphere that makes it a favorite among fans and drivers alike. Plus, it's Austin, where the BBQ is almost as legendary as the race itself. Now, who are the gladiators gearing up to battle it out in 2024? Let's start with the reigning champion, Max Verstappen. The Dutch prodigy has been on a tear, and his Red Bull Racing team looks set to continue their dominance. But don't count out the silver arrows. Mercedes, with Lewis Hamilton and George Russell, is poised to strike back. Hamilton, with his 7 world titles, isn't one to back down easily, and Russell is hungry for his first big win. Ferrari fans, we haven't forgotten you. Charles Leclerc and Carlos Sainz Jr. are ready to bring the prancing horse back to glory. With their undeniable speed and the passion of the Tifosi behind them, they're always a threat. And let's not overlook McLaren, Alpine, and Aston Martin, who are all looking to shake up the grid. Lando Norris, Fernando Alonso, and Sebastian Vettel bring a mix of youth and experience that makes for an unpredictable and thrilling race. The 2024 season has already seen some epic battles, and the US Grand Prix promises to be no different. Expect wheel-to-wheel action, strategic masterstrokes, and maybe even a bit of controversy, because what's F1 without a little drama? One of the best parts of the United States Grand Prix is the fans. F1 fever has been spreading like wildfire across America, and Austin is ground zero. From the die-hard enthusiasts draped in their favorite team's colors to the curious first-timers, the atmosphere is electric. Tailgate parties, fan zones, and concerts add to the carnival vibe. And let's not forget the celebrities. It's not uncommon to spot A-listers mingling with the crowd or enjoying the action from luxury suites. The energy in the stands is contagious. Whether it's the collective gasp as cars jostle for position or the thunderous applause when a favorite driver makes a daring overtake, the fans are an integral part of the spectacle. If you've never experienced an F1 race in person, the US Grand Prix is the perfect place to start. The 2024 season brings some exciting new developments to the United States Grand Prix. First, there's the introduction of sustainable fuel, a significant step towards F1's goal of becoming carbon neutral by 2030. This not only makes the sport more environmentally friendly, but also adds a new layer of strategy as teams adjust to the new fuel dynamics. Additionally, the race weekend format has been tweaked to include more fan interaction. The Sprint Shootout returns, offering a shorter, more intense qualifying session on Saturday, followed by a sprint race that sets the grid for Sunday. This format has already proven to spice up the weekend with more on-track action and unpredictability. And then there's the technology. F1 teams are always pushing the envelope, and 2024 is no different. Expect to see cars with even more advanced aerodynamics, cutting-edge hybrid power units, and perhaps some radical design changes. The innovation doesn't stop at the cars. Improvements in broadcasting technology mean that fans at home will get closer to the action than ever before with enhanced onboard cameras and augmented reality features. Strategy plays a crucial role in F1, and the United States Grand Prix is no exception. With its mix of fast straights and technical corners, COTA requires a finely balanced setup. Teams will be closely monitoring tire degradation and fuel consumption, aiming to find the perfect pit stop window. Pit stops can make or break a race. A well-timed pit stop can catapult a driver from mid-pack to a podium position, while a mishap can spell disaster. Watch for the choreography of the pit crew. It's like a high-speed ballet where every second counts. The 2024 race will likely see a mix of one-stop and two-stop strategies, keeping fans guessing until the very end. The United States Grand Prix isn't just about what happens on the track. Off track, there's a smorgasbord of entertainment options. Austin is known for its live music scene, and race weekend is no exception. Expect performances from top artists, adding a sonic boom to the roar of the engines. For foodies, Austin offers a culinary delight from food trucks to fine dining. And let's not forget the famous Texas barbecue. It's a must-try. There are also plenty of activities for families, with interactive exhibits, driver meet and greets, and merchandise stands offering everything from team gear to quirky souvenirs. So, there you have it, a turbocharged tour of what to expect at the 2024 F1 United States Grand Prix. From the high-speed action on track to the vibrant atmosphere off it, this event promises thrills, spills, and plenty of memorable moments. Whether you're tuning in from home or lucky enough to be there in person, the US Grand Prix is set to be a highlight of the 2024 F1 season. Stay tuned, stay hyped, and remember, in F1, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. And what a journey it will be!